Welcome to the best picks. The best wifey gifts is probably one of the most thoughtful ways to show your appreciation and love for your wife, making her feel cherished and celebrated on any occasion, whether it's her birthday, anniversary, or just because. Finding the perfect gift can be a delightful journey, but it also requires a bit of insight into her unique personality, preferences, and desires, ensuring that your present is not just an object, but a meaningful expression of your bond and understanding. This video aims to guide you through the process of selecting a gift that will truly resonate with her, turning a simple gesture into an unforgettable moment that strengthens your connection. Number 5. Dearfoams Women's Bride Slippers. Get ready for your wedding festivities with these comfortable and stylish slippers. Perfect for the bride and her crew, they add a special touch to any celebration. Looking for a thoughtful gift for your bridesmaids or the bride-to-be? These slippers are a wonderful way to show your appreciation and make them feel pampered. Designed for ultimate comfort, these slippers will keep your feet cozy throughout all the pre-wedding events. From the bachelorette party to the morning of the wedding, enjoy soft support. Featuring charming I do and I do crew embroidery, these slippers are a fun and fashionable accessory. They're a sweet reminder of the special bond you share. Make your wedding celebrations even more memorable with these delightful slippers. They're perfect for capturing those candid moments and creating lasting memories with your favorite people. These are the ideal footwear choice for all your wedding-related events. Enjoy the perfect blend of comfort, style, and celebratory spirit as you prepare for your special day. What we like. These slippers are designed for the bride and her crew. If you're looking for matching gifts for your bridal party or a special treat for the bride-to-be, these are perfect. They offer comfort and a fun, celebratory theme for pre-wedding events. What people say. This is a great gift for your wife. It is very elegant and looks expensive. It is a beautiful piece that will make your wife feel special. The quality is excellent and it is a perfect gift for any occasion. Number 4. Kate Spade New York Bridal Tumbler. Introducing the Kate Spade New York Bridal Tumbler, the perfect accessory for any bride-to-be. This stylish tumbler is designed to keep your drinks cool and your style on point. Featuring double-wall insulation, this 20-ounce tumbler keeps your cold beverages refreshingly chilled. Say goodbye to condensation and hello to perfectly cool drinks, every time. Designed for life on the go, its slim profile fits most car cup holders. The secure lid and durable straw make it ideal for a mess-free commute or as a thoughtful gift. With a wide opening, cleaning is a breeze. This reusable tumbler is designed for your convenience, though please note it is hand wash only and not microwave safe. Crafted from BPA, lead, and phthalate-free acrylic, it's a safe and non-toxic choice. By choosing this reusable option, you're helping to reduce plastic waste. Adorned with elegant white and metallic gold accents, and the celebratory Miss to Mrs. text, it's the ultimate bridal accessory. It makes a perfect gift for engagement parties and bachelorette celebrations. What we like. This tumbler is perfect for keeping your drinks refreshingly cold on the go. If you're a bride who loves staying hydrated in style or needs a chic accessory for your bachelorette party, this is the one. Its slim design fits most cup holders, making it ideal for busy brides. What people say. This is a great gift for your wife. The product is of good quality and looks beautiful. It is a perfect gift for any occasion. Number 3. Wifey Ponytail Hat. Introducing our vintage-inspired baseball cap, designed for the modern woman. Its classic washed denim look adds a touch of timeless style to any outfit. Tired of hats messing up your hairstyle? This cap features a specially designed opening, perfect for effortlessly accommodating your ponytail. Enjoy all-day comfort with its soft, washed denim fabric. The adjustable strap ensures a perfect, secure fit for every head size. Embrace your wifey status with this charming embroidered hat. It's a stylish way to express your personal style and relationship. Whether you're running errands or enjoying a casual day out, this hat is your go-to accessory. It blends fashion with everyday practicality seamlessly. Looking for a unique gift? This stylish and functional hat makes a wonderful present for birthdays, anniversaries, or just because. What we like. This hat is designed for comfort and style, especially for those who love wearing their hair up. If you're looking for a casual yet cute accessory that accommodates a ponytail, this is a great choice. Its vintage washed denim gives it a relaxed, lived-in feel perfect for everyday wear. What people say. This is a great gift for your wife. It is very pretty and looks expensive. The product is very well made and looks beautiful. It is a perfect gift for any occasion. I love this product. It is so unique and thoughtful. My wife was so happy when she received it. Number 2. Alex and Ami Bridal Expandable Bangle. Mark your wedding day with a touch of elegance. This beautiful bangle is designed to be a cherished keepsake for any bride. Designed to fit you perfectly, this expandable bangle adjusts from 2 to 3.5 inches. The chain also adjusts from 6.5 to 8 inches for ultimate comfort. Featuring a radiant shiny finish, this piece adds a subtle sparkle to your bridal look. It's a classic accessory that complements any wedding attire. Adorned with delicate wedding charms, this bangle symbolizes love and new beginnings. It's a thoughtful gift for yourself or a loved one. Elevate your bridal ensemble with this stunning expandable bangle. It's the ideal accessory to make your wedding day even more memorable. More than just jewelry, this is a symbol of your commitment and joy. Keep this special piece as a reminder of your beautiful wedding day for years to come. What we like. This bangle is a beautiful and adjustable piece of jewelry to commemorate a special occasion. If you're searching for a meaningful accessory that can be worn on your wedding day and beyond, this is it. Its expandable design ensures a comfortable fit for most wrists, and the bridal charms add a touch of elegance. What people say. This is a great gift for your wife. It is a beautiful and elegant piece that she will love. The quality is excellent and it is well made. Number 1. Body Restore Shower Steamers Aromatherapy 6-pack. Elevate your daily routine with our aromatherapy shower steamers. Experience a spa-like atmosphere right in your own bathroom. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These make excellent presents for birthdays, Father's Day, or just to show someone you care. Let the premium essential oils melt away your stress and tension. Find your moment of peace and relaxation. Infused with high-quality bloom essential oils, each tablet provides a rich and soothing aromatherapy experience. Indulge in a little self-care without the hassle. Simply place one in your shower and let the natural fragrances work their magic. This convenient 6-pack ensures you have plenty of these delightful steamers on hand. Enjoy a refreshing escape whenever you need it. What we like. These shower steamers offer a luxurious spa-like experience in the comfort of your own home. If you're looking for a way to unwind and de-stress after a long day or need a thoughtful self-care gift, these are ideal. They transform your shower into a fragrant sanctuary, promoting relaxation and well-being. What people say. The product is very well made and durable. It is a great addition to any kitchen. The design is sleek and modern. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.